2011 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, sunroof, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.